down at Lake Baray. We're gonna get some damn dinner. Let's go do this. What you getting now?
Mango.
Oh, mango. Is it old or new mango?
And young mango.
Young, so soft.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, young is hard.
Young
it's spicy.
and yeah, it's spicy too. So
okay.
I like that.
And then
Fruit.
durian fruit.
Yeah.
Your favorite.
Very good. Like
Ready to go get some dinner?
And like tea, $2.15.
Oh, cheap.
Yeah.
That's very good. We're gonna go get some dinner, guys. Now that she's got the young mango. You know, I learned something living here. The wife tells me, she says young mango all the time. I'm like, young mango? Young mango means that it's hard and you can dip in the spicy. The old mango is soft. You guys probably buy those out west, right? It's just soft and gushy, still delicious. But a young mango is like, not green, but it's just kind of like a little hard. And you can dip it in the spicy with the salt and the sugar. Oh my God, I never liked mango until I moved to Cambodia. But yeah, now I'm good. So let's go get some dinner, guys. I'm hungry. Dinner bell's ringing. Let's go. Which way to our dinner table? Down. All right, guys, let's check out the food real quick. Owen's making up here for us. This is the chicken we're going to eat. I mean, it was clucking this morning, guys, all right? As fresh as you can get, all right? There's no artificial flavors, no hormones, nothing. It's just pure Cambodian chicken. Check this out. Owen just got on the barbecue here. She's doing a great job. Look at it, basting it. What you basting it with, Owen? I don't think she knows English. Look delicious. I'm hungry. Traditional khmer barbecue coals, you guys know from other videos. Doing a great job there, Owen. She's got it going on there. Guys, look out here real quick. They've got everything here, guys. They've got fish. You guys want some fish? They've got everything, guys. We're just getting the chicken today. We're not that hungry. This is the chicken we got here. They pre-cook it and then they just put it on the barbecue and get it warmed up for you. So yeah, really hungry. Looking forward to it, Owen. Make it spicy. Quick note, guys, while you're here, enjoying the amazing food, this boat right here, if you guys go down here where you eat, right there, you can negotiate with Owen here. He'll take you out to the other temple here if you guys want to get like a nice meal. That's a great thing about this here is you can eat some good food like locals and then negotiate a good price. I think about $6 round trip is what it is. He'll take you out to the island there and you can see the Bada temple out there. So it's a great situation either way you look at it, guys, whether you just want to get a quick bite to eat or you want to go see that temple. Well worth the time. All right, guys, look at this place right here. We're down here at Lake Bada at a little restaurant. It's like a little bamboo. Look at the thatch, guys. Hoping nobody's gonna smoke here, but poof, gone. But look at this view for the wife here. She's loving it.
No.
What you eating?
Canal.
Canal.
Yeah, fruit. And Cambodia called name canal, not durian.
Not durian.
No.
So I was wrong.
Very good.
We ordered some chicken and some rice. Apparently, this whole stretch here, we'll walk you guys here a little bit and show you. Each little cabana is kind of owned by a different person. So the lady come after you and say, hey, eat here. And another lady say, oh, eat at my place. And we're confused because we just think that it's one big long stretch. It's all together. But I mean, look at the view here, guys. Lake Bada. You can see in the distance the temple there. Okay, you can see it right there in the middle. GoPro doesn't have a zoom. We'll see if we get you guys some B-roll here with the iPhone, and maybe we can zoom in a little bit. Just laying on a hammock. Now, we went to a place last week. I sat in a hammock, and guess where I went? Straight to the floor. Ouch. These are not made for big badangs, but nonetheless, if I fall, I will end up in the water. It will be refreshing because it's about 98 degrees today. It is hot. So, but it's been a great day. So yeah, hope you guys liked the previous video there with the moto. That was a great review we want to do for you guys. And a lot of people ask what we ride and what they see in the video. And so there you are, guys. But yeah, we're going to wait for the chicken to come here, relax, do some socializing here. We got some neighbors. Yeah, so you guys can see it's all hammocks all the way down. We've got the water, and it's just a nice thatch roof here. I don't know how rainproof it is, but It hasn't rained here in months, so we're not too worried about it right now. Although the clouds are gathered a little bit. We don't know, it might rain a little bit, but nonetheless we're okay because we're just chilling like villains here. We're relaxing, and they're way down the way. They've got some nice khmer traditional music playing on the karaoke. So yeah, we're gonna suffer through that. Say suffer, yeah. Let's wait for the dinner, guys. All right, guys, they just gave us the water and some, what beer did they give us? They Cambodia? Gansberg. We got the Gansberg. I guess they're out of Cambodia. So yeah, it's about the same price, 50 cents a can. Can't go wrong. So let's walk around here, guys, and see what we got here. Linda's gonna enjoy the hammock and take a nap while the food's cooking up there. Let's go check it out, guys. As you guys can see, there's so many great places down here you guys can relax. I mean, there's hammocks everywhere, guys. Now, just so you know, a couple videos back we did the best street food here in Lake Baray, right? Well, now we're getting some food at a restaurant. The other video was a further down the road, dirt road. Now we're down here. Let's go down the beach here, guys, and check it out, because this is a great lake to swim in too. Make sure I don't kill myself in these bamboo steps. Hang on here. No handrails, no problem. All right, you guys too, if you come down here with your friends and family, they've got, look at these inner tubes here. Great way to enjoy the water, guys. A great way just to flow it out there. Look how still the water is. I mean, it's like silk right now. Of course, there's no motorboats, so you guys can see just how smooth that water is. Yeah, great times out here, guys. Water's toasty warm too. Like if you guys been down to like Miami, Florida, down to the ocean, you know how warm that water is. Just like bath water. That's how it is here. I was doing a great job raking. Good job cleaning. You bring the family down, your friends. How many of you Barangs gonna come to Cambodia or have been here and just went to Pub Street for dinner? Don't get me wrong, Pub Street's got some great food, great options. You get your cheeseburgers, whatever. If you've never been to Cambodia, go to Pub Street, get your first meal on Pub Street, all right? And enjoy the experience. After that, come out here, guys, with the locals and eat the road food. I mean, this is where it's at, guys. This is authentic Cambodia, all right? Let's check this out, guys. Look at all the people here. Yeah, everybody's just friendly. Look at that, guys. Yeah, it's a great day in Cambodia. And even the roosters are eating good. Yeah, and then we've got right here, guys, we've got a traditional longboat here in Cambodia. This one here actually is used, if you go out here and you go to the Bada temple, which is in the middle of the lake out here. It's part of the Angkor Wat temples, actually. But it was built in the middle of this lake. But this guy right here with the longboat, he will get you out to that temple quite well. So I think the food's coming right now pretty quick. So let's go back and check on that food, guys. And look at the babies out here playing, having a good time. Yeah, it's a good day. Cold beer, family, friends. Love Cambodia. This is a great day, guys. Let's go back and see Linda and see how the food's doing, because my stomach's growling right now like a lion. So. All right, guys, the moment we've been waiting for. The food has arrived. Fresh chicken, so juicy because it's so fresh. Until I came to Cambodia, I've never really had fresh chicken, because in America everything's been like killed for like a month and stuck in storage and injected with hormones. But let's check out the dinner here, guys. Linda can tell us what we got. All right.
This one and chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, but English maybe called barbecue like that.
Barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue. Cambodia called mon ang.
Mon an.
Yeah, mon ang.
All right, what else we got here?
Very good. This one for one chicken, like $6.
$6. Okay, yeah. $6 for the whole.
Yeah.
And then what's the sauce?
And with sugar, lemon, and I don't know what the black this one.
Pepper.
Yeah, pepper. Yeah.
Pepper, yeah, like compote.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, the same my food is here and with lemon.
okay, you already make.
Yeah, already made.
And then we've got the rice, just regular steamed white rice, right?
Yeah.
Nothing special there. And then we've got some Gansberg guys. Yeah, nice cold. We've got the what do you call it? Samurai. And some water. And now we're gonna dig in, guys, and enjoy this delicious meal. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. All right, guys. This is the fresh chicken. It's got the lemon juice, pepper, and I think something else in there, a little garlic. But yeah, nonetheless, let's try this out. Wow. Boom. To the fishes. Yeah, and some rice. Oh, I love the pepper and the zest from the lemon. Makes for a really just, I always want to eat. Wow. Very, very good. Like I said, it's so fresh, guys. So fresh because it was just literally clucking a few hours ago. So, I mean, it's about fresh. It's farm fresh, we'll say like that, all right? Rice is good. Nice and fluffy. Never had bad rice in Cambodia. Huh. We hope you've enjoyed this video at our little secret place here we go to in Lake Baray. We'll leave the location down below for everybody. Sun's a setting, guys. It's been a great day in Cambodia, as always. Food is delicious. I love the lemon, the zest, the garlic. Oh my God. And then a little bit of Kempot pepper. Oh, I got to come back again. This is our favorite place to go over here at Lake Baray, and it's a great place. You guys come down. This is where the locals go. Badangs are more than welcome. Like I said, I come here a lot, and like I said, look at this view, guys. I mean, come on. Is that not just amazing? I mean, just relax, have a good time. Sometimes they got some locals doing the karaoke. If you can suffer through that, the food is more than worth your while. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, safe travels from Mahoney Travels, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Ciao.